Muy buenas, estamos en el ferry autónomo número 1 en el mundo, aquí en Estocolmo, donde cruza de orilla a orilla al lago Mälaren. Y vamos a ver qué tal es la experiencia. Y que está un poco nervioso. ¿A que sí, Rico? ¿Está un poco nervioso? ¿Mm?
So my name is Eric Nilsson. I'm the operational manager of Halten AB, and we're working with operating the world's first autonomous boat in commercial use.
And how it works?
Yeah, okay, so it's essentially we have a full kit of sensors around the boat. We got the radars, the GPS, the 5G antennas, and especially the lidars and extra cameras as well. These in combined helps solve the most or the hardest part of the puzzle with making an autonomous boat, which is the surrounding awareness. So with all these sensors combined and a computer to crunch all the data, we can find stuff like the kayaks over here and identify them as target or tracks on the water that we need to avoid.
And how much cost the trip?
So it's 35 crowns, or about, I think, €3.5 per person or per adult. That's gonna give you a ticket that's on your credit card for about 60 minutes. And if you have a reduced price, you can go into our website and register the card you're intending to pay with. Then you're gonna go down to €2 or 20 crowns.
Perfect. And will work the whole year, or I suppose in the winter when it will be freezing the lake?
Exactly. So of course, like you said, ice is gonna be a little bit of a problem for us. Carbon fiber is very strong, but not particularly meant for breaking through the ice. So we're hoping to go all year long, but if the ice gets too thick, of course we're gonna have to stop the traffic for a little bit.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Cosa bonita, cosa bonita, cosa bonita, uy, cosa bonita, uy, rico.
Ok.